and welcome to my channel, My Heaven Zero Retired and Inspired. Well, you know, the last few months have really been challenging, right? We don't really have any place to go. We're supposed to stick around the house as most we can, and I've been doing that. And like a lot of other people, I've rediscovered my garden. For years, I worked all the time. I was never around, and my garden, as much as I wanted it to be beautiful, it was neglected terribly. However, this year I was able to do some really great things in it. I felt. Well, I added a new piece to my garden this year, and it's something that I had inspiration to do when I saw something similar to it in another city that I was visiting. So I have created a bicycle garden, and I'm going to share it with you now, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, today I'm going to start working on this bike. You can see there's a lot of rust on it. Last time this bike was licensed was 1980-81, so I don't know if it's my mother's bike or what. But there's a lot of rust on it. And my plan is to start taking it apart, and I'm going to paint it in many colors, or a couple of different colors. I have an idea to use it as an art piece, and it'll probably take me a little while to work on it. But today I'm going to start taking it apart. So I'll get started on it. Well, as you can see, it was taken apart, and it wasn't that hard at all. I have the two fenders. I have the front fender and the back fender. And this is the chain guard. And we have one of the wheels. I don't remember if that was the front or the back, but we have one wheel there. And all of the mechanical things, we don't need any of those anymore. That would have been the handbrakes pieces that we could take off. And there's the other tire. And now it's time to get a little sanding done. To paint. I'm painting the fenders pink, and then I'm going to be using a mint color green for the chain guard, and I'm going to paint the body of the bike yellow, a really nice yellow, and I'm going to touch up the silver portions, such as the handlebars and whatnot, I'm going to touch them up with this silver paint.